Lot o bethau cyffroes heddiw, Matt.
Yes. What did you just say then?
I was going to say, look a bit excited. Lots of pethau cyffroes, exciting things.
There is exciting things because Alun Williams is coming in. Good friend of mine.
Cyffroes iawn.
Ffrindiau dda.
Ydy?
Yeah.
Rawr te.
Rawr te.
Alun. Beth mae Alun wedi gyflwyno? Do you know what he's presented?
So many things.
Lot o
Panau
bethau.
Plant.
Ti'n iawn?
Stwnch Sadwn.
Mae'n gweithio ar stwnch rwan.
Stwnch Sadwn.
Stwffio, rhaglen i blant.
Fi'n caru stwffio.
Oedden nhw'n bwyta pethau ofnadwy.
Yeah. Sgorio.
Sgorio. Ag atom.
So many things.
Yeah. OK. Wyt ti'n barod am rhan gynta'r wers? Ooh.
Bit delayed.
Bit delayed, mae'n iawn.
OK.
Iawn te. Ydy, yn ddiddorol.
Ydy, yn diddorol.
Yeah. Beth ydy diddorol?
Interesting. Fi'n cofio. Cariad y iaith. Ydy yn diddorol, so I would say ydy yn...
Ydy Alun yn diddorol? Na.
Ydy hip neu skip yn diddorol?
Da iawn. Neu ydy cyflwyno atom yn ddiddorol?
OK, so you could put the dashboard.
So is presenting atom interesting?
It wouldn't be a treiglo there, gyflwyno.
Nawr de.
Nawr te.
Yn syml, mae treiglo yn digwydd, happens iawn, very often, not always, ond yn aml iawn, very often, as a result of the word that comes before it. Iawn? So, for example, there are lots of geiriau bach, little words, like am, ar, at, gan, dros, drwy, heb. Lots of little words fel na that you always know after it, oh, there's a mutation.
Right, OK.
Yeah?
And that comes with time,
That comes with time. Achos ti'n ymarfer, like, yn naturiol, naturally, you say, oh, dwi'n dod o Gaerffili. You don't go, oh, it's an O, therefore there's always a soft mutation. No. C changes to G after O. You don't go through that. And that's the whole point. We don't want people to dysgu fel parrots.
It's a lot like when you're learning to drive.
Yeah.
And that's another thing Alun's done. He used to be a driving instructor.
Oedd o?
He did.
Na.
He did.
Beth ydi cyffroes? Ti'n cofio? Ar ddechrau'r rhaglen, I said, o, mae gennym ni raglen gyffroes i chi.
Gyffroes.
Exciting.
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 Oh, OK.
So, ti eisiau gofyn y cwestiwn am y rhaglenni mae Alun wedi cyflwyno, programmes he has presented. Felly, oedd cyflwyno stwffio yn gyffroes. Wyt ti'n cofio rhaglen arbennig o stwffio lle aeth Alun ag Ant i Japan?
No, fi'n cofio.
Oedd rhaid iddo fo fwyta llawer o bethau ychyfu.
No, not for me.
Gallwn ni ofyn i Alun, oedd mynd i Japan.
Oedd mynd i Japan yn gyffroes.
Iawn?
OK.
So, oedd, past tense.
Oedd.
Ydy.
Ydy.
Nawr.
Nawr.
Rwan.
Ydy, oedd.
Okay,
I think I've got that.
How's?
Yeah. Should we see Alun in action?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do that. Yeah. Alun.